See, sometimes all you need is just two light setup to create beautiful portraits like this. I'm making this video having a particular audience in mind, and those are the people that are probably just starting photography and they don't have a lot of money to start investing too many gears or too many lights. Just don't waste your money in too much lights. You need to learn how to use the one you have. So probably you have two lights sitting somewhere and you're looking at how to set it up and get beautiful portraits just like this one. Then you are in the right video, because that's what I'm going to be doing. So before we start the video, if you are new to this channel, my name is Ademola. I'm a creative photographer. You can check out my Instagram at Ademola_studios. You can check out my beautiful portraits. I create beautiful work. On this channel, we talk about behind the scenes, lighting setup, editing, different things just based on photography. If you want to join us in this community, you can just subscribe and please like the video and share the video if you actually gain something and you want someone else to gain. Advice I will give is to know what gear to get if you are just starting. So if you want to take beautiful portrait just like this, you know that you're just going to be based in the studio and you want to just take portrait of different clients and different people, these are the equipment I think you should get. You should probably get the parabolic. The bigger the parabolic umbrella, the better, and the softer the lights. But this is like the normal parabolic umbrella. If you ask, this is what they will give you. But there's like a bigger one which I'll show you in the BTS. There's a bigger one which I also use for the shoots, but I didn't use it for this YouTube channel I'm creating for you guys. So another thing you should get is the light. You can either get a D600 or a D200. Currently in this video I'm using the AD600. AD200 too can also work. And the second light video is a continuous light from iFootage. You can get any continuous light, and I use like a tiny cone to just direct the light. That's it. So if you want to get it, you're basically just getting two lights, just two light, and you can get stand. And don't forget your reflector. Get a very big reflector, is very important, and this will help. So instead of you trying to get three lights at the studio at once, if you don't have the money, don't stress, start with what you have. Right now, let's get into my screen and let me show you how I actually lit up my client and made these beautiful portraits. So for this particular lighting setup, what I did was to use a parabolic umbrella. Let me create a new layer so that I'll be able to draw and show you guys. So what I did, so let's use yellow. Yellow is off of this, so let's use yellow. So what I did basically was very simple. I used a parabolic umbrella which is here, and I tried to like curve it from up. If you can see the angle, I'm going to show you in the BTS. Parabolic is coming straight down like this, if you can see. So like this is affecting from her hair to her toe. The direction of the parabolic is very important if you want to get it, and also where she's standing is important. You have to understand that she has to stand at the feather of this parabolic. If she's coming forward to this place, your lighting might not make sense. It might be causing shadows, but it's not just make sense. Let her stand at the feather so she can go back a little bit and have her own spots. So wherever you pull your client also tells where the light direction to is going. You should take note of that. It's very important. Another light source was the continuous lights. So this light here was AD600 with a light source of 1/64. I was playing within 1/64 and 1/34. So I was playing between these two. I was just going up and down to get the perfect lighting. You understand? Then I had this continuous light just coming at her back from here. You all can see it. And this reflector is just bringing small light from here to this place, as you all can see. That's what is happening there. Nothing hard. So this was on 1/64. My ISO, sorry, I have to check my phone. I can't cram all this thing. So my ISO was on 100. My f-stop was on 2.8, and my shutter speed was on 1/125. That was it, and this was my lighting setup, to be honest. Yeah, I used the Canon RP and I used the lens 50 mm. Yes, so this is like a beginner setup, to be very honest. If you're just starting photography, try this setup. It's very nice. It's very easy. Just steal this video and try it. But if you don't have a continuous light, you can also use a flashlight. You can also use any flashlight and have this cone. So there's this cone, like it's a tiny cone. I just like kept it on it and it just direct light, so the light does not spread too much on her. You can also have this big cone. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that cone. I have that cone at the back of that place, this beautiful cone. You can also use that kind of cone too, but the issue I have with this is it's too big and sometimes it can spread light to the background, but sometimes it gives some beautiful effect if you want. So that's all. That's how I got this beautiful portrait with a very nice retouching on it, and in fact is incredible. I can't get enough of this portrait. So if you like this video, if you've gained something on how to use what you have to create something beautiful, I mean, you know what to do. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, motivate me, like this video and share, and I will see you in my next video creating something beautiful. I love you guys. Thanks for watching to the end, and I will see you in my next video. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much.